I prefer this kind of shark. We are on Isla Mirada in the Florida Keys.
Yes!
For an adventure today.
That's my beach tribe! If you ever get a chance to visit Florida Keys, we highly recommend it. It's one of our favorite adventures. We sold everything to live and travel full-time in our RV. So join us. We share tips and tricks on how you can do it too.
I'm Tom.
I'm Cherie.
And this is EnjoyTheJourney.Life. Our channel is all about RV living and travel full-time. If you are brand new to our channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, ding that little bell. That way you'll get notified when we release a brand new video. We're lugging all our gear, going on an Esmeralda snorkeling and paddle boarding and clear kayak adventure today. On a busy Sunday.
Alright guys, so my name is Matt. I'm going to give you a quick lowdown.
We are on Isla Mirada in the Florida Keys.
Yes!
For an adventure today. First time snorkeling in this area here.
Yes.
Plus some kayaking and some with a clear bottom.
Yeah, look at this beautiful
awesome.
water.
Yeah, we're fortunate to be with Matt from Clearly Unique Charters here in Esmeralda. Is that how we say it?
Isla Mirada?
Isla Mirada.
I don't know. Yeah, I'm excited.
Yeah, we're still exploring the beach tribe, right?
Oh yeah, there's never ending.
Still on beach tribe adventures.
Yes. That's my beach tribe.
Get that hot here? It doesn't.
I've never got too
Oh,
hot
have
for
you
me.
been
I
here during
love
the
it.
summer?
Not in the summer.
So compare this place to Texas, Mississippi, or Louisiana, and you'll see a huge difference.
Okay.
So much here.
Our average high is about 89 degrees, whereas you go to Texas, it could be like 102. There's reef to the right of us, and a lot of reef out in front of us. Whenever I give you beer, only 1/10 of 1% of the world's ocean has reef, and it grows about an inch every 8 years.
Wow.
The trick to making the mask seal properly is you have to make sure that it's over your nose and your eyes, and the strap is above your ears.
You can't wait to get in that water, can you? It looks like you're floating out there. It's so clear.
It's so clear.
I'll be right there.
All right, I'm going in.
All right. All right, time to get in this water. Oh yeah. Cheers. I prefer this kind of shark.
Why is it called Isle of Murata? Because Isla means island, Murata means purple. Purple island from the sky, water looks purple when you get a drop off about 5 or 6 miles from here.
The island life.
Things are not supposed to be the way they are where you come from. You know.
Yeah.
Walmart's a long way, and if you're on vacation, you need to learn to do it a different way.
Right.
So.
After snorkeling the beautiful reef, now we get to go relax at Isla Murata's sandbar.
Paddle on your knees, and you can also stand up and use it. I'll show you real quick.
Okay.
Get away from the boat.
Oh, I've never done it before. It looks hard.
It's not.
No? It's super hard.
Get a float.
Yep.
Yeah. Entry. It's a GoPro off.
Yeah, it's a GoPro off. Who's gonna win? Ah! Who's gonna win?
A good selfie then.
Yeah. How we going down?
Yeah.
Ready?
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Hey!
Order beer.
I did. I ordered one. Are you delivering? Better than being delivered on a beach, being delivered in the water. Tom, does it get any better than this? Does it?
I don't know.
I don't think so. We don't need beer salt. You know why?
Vic.
I'm going to ask if the waiter clears the table too. Does the waiter clear the table too? I'm done with my...
Got spit hanging. That's an outtake. I shouldn't have told you. Back on the boat, some spit coming down.
Here, waiter, take my beer.
Double fish. Cheers.
Different views.
All right.
Whoa!
Say about people from the Keys, we're all here because we're not all there.
Captain Matt told us a story about how he was sailing the Bahamas in the summer of 2009 and decided to head west towards Central America with a stopover in Key West. Well, it's nearly 6 years later and he still hasn't left. He says this place has something to offer everyone who loves life. He fell in love with the place and decided to put a new spin on an old business and do eco tours in the wildlife refuge using the clear kayaks that he saw in the Caribbean. He also uses pilot and exploration skills to push the envelope and find the best spots to take tourists based on the wind and tide. So if you're ever in the Keys and you want a great adventure out on the clear blue water, be sure to visit Captain Matt. You can find him at clearlyuniquecharters.com.
Looks like after snorkeling food here.
Those are spicy.
Oh, good deal.
They're island spicy. I know you want one. For more information about Captain Matt and Clearly Unique Charters, we will have a link below in the description. Thank you for watching and giving us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you want more, click that join button at the bottom. See you next time, and thanks, Captain Matt.
Oh, we're being corrected.
It's not Isla?
Isla Mirada?
Isla Mirada. Isla. When they come down for vacation. Or you can always tell the tourists because they all say it wrong.
All right.
It's like Bahia Honda. We were told by locals that something like Bahia. They said Bahia Honda. And I'm like, oh, sounds like good for me. Like that. So how do you say it? Bahia Honda. Bahia. Okay, so tell me again that Isla Mirada. Yeah, Isla. Thank you. Okay, one more time. Take 3.
Yeah.
How's my mountain tribe? What? A mountain tribe?